traders, we have exciting news. Amazon, I just got an alert. We have the $200 puts. We sold our calls yesterday, okay? And we flipped it right here where we broke. Look, this is a nice chart down to the support level. And we have the $200 puts on the break. We will buy the dips on Amazon. It remains the number one. I have different support levels that we're coming to right now. And there is another support level down here. I'll drop right there. Okay. So we have that sell signal this time of day right here for the morning. That's why it's weak. And we're looking to verify a reversal. You have to have another down bar below the previous bar like we did on the first two, like that. So the third one needs to be the same way. Once again, we enjoy you. Buy now, pay later. If you believe it goes down, then buy it. Hey, you can't help but win.